Hello there, my name's Nick Bentley. You've probably come across me before, no doubt, on my business page, EA Forex Trader, which now actually is now, I think, EA Forex Investor, Crypto Investor. Just wanted to promote this platform, My Passive Trades. Very briefly, not going to go into the full details of the strategy they use. There's a great video when you use my link, when you go to the homepage of My Passive Trades, where you'll speak to the CEO, Darren Bradbury, and he'll explain to you how they get their return on your money, which is very important. Why this platform? There's loads of platforms out there, and as you know, unfortunately, as I've experienced, and I think most of us have in the online crypto market, is there's lots of scams out there. Well, this really isn't one. Why isn't it? So when you do your due diligence, when I did my due diligence, I looked at this for about 3 months before putting any money in. And you need to look at, who is the CEO? Is he out there? Can you speak to him? Is he transparent? Is he available to talk to? Yes, he is, 100%. Darren Bradbury is on the face, on the Face group page, My Passive Trades Official. And he does lots and lots of interviews, nearly one a day, if not more than one a day, where you can arrange to speak to him one-on-one, ask him whatever questions you need to ask to get the answers that you want. He's in the UK. The return on the investment obviously is very important, up to 1.25%. At the moment, it's 1%. Is it 5 days a week or is it 7? Obviously, we want it to be 7. Where some platforms are only 5, this is 7 days. Withdrawals are daily, okay? So basically, you don't need to put a lot in. You don't actually need to put anything in to get your own referral link to then go out and refer and earn up on your, earn up to on your first level 8%, okay? So whoever you introduce, whatever they invest, however much they invest, you earn 8% straight away. So you don't actually need to deposit anything. If you've got lots of people out there, if you're a network marketer and you've got a nice database of people, or you want to help out your family, your mum, your dad, your friends, your brothers, once you introduce them from your link, once you use my link, get into your back office, you'll have your own link there. You promote that. Whoever joins, if they invest £1,000, straight away you've got 80 then to invest yourself. Then the second level is 3%. So it's not really a multi-level marketing system, it's more an affiliation, because that's as far as it goes, 2 levels. Obviously you can go as wide as you can, so you can introduce thousands and thousands and get your 8% on, per investment, and obviously get your 3% on each person that they introduce. But that's as far as it goes. This is really a great platform. Like I said, you don't need to deposit anything to register and get your link and go out there and promote it. But if you want to deposit and see if it works, to see if you can get your 1% per day or up to 1.25% per day, you only need to put in $5. I think the withdrawal is on a daily basis, but it needs to be at least $10, okay? Now the whole point of this platform, it's really depend. Well, it doesn't really, depend. But you're better off compounding your money, your investment on a daily basis. You can withdraw it if you like, but to really make it more effective, you should really be compounding it and putting it back into the system to make more money at the end of the month, at the end of the year. Okay, but that's entirely up to you. I'm not going to go into the actual how they get your investment and what they do with it. They've got real successful team of traders that trade on the Forex and on the crypto, hence it being 7 days and not just 5 days, because obviously Forex shuts on a weekend. Okay, you get this, you get your dividends, as it were, with your $5, if you just put in $5, by getting an ad pack. And you might think, well, what's an ad pack? Basically, I think that's the way they kind of get your money without saying, we're a financial kind of company and we want to take $5 and invest it. I think they need licenses for that. But basically, you get an ad pack which costs a minimum of $5. You can add your own online businesses on My Passive Trades website, but that's an optional thing. But as soon as you make your $5, you can then buy another ad pack, which is basically compounding and putting money back into the system. Like I say, on the video on the main page of My Passive Trades, you have Darren Bradbury explaining a little bit of that, and he's obviously better qualified to explain that, but it is very, very simple. So that's it, guys. And obviously, you know, this is a great way of making a passive income. You know, it's people throw that word around so easily, and it's not always the case. This really is the platform that's working for me. Obviously, my past results, I can't guarantee they're going to be my future results or your future results. We can only go on the history of what we've experienced, so that's my disclaimer. But earning up to 1.25% per day, 7 days a week is very, very powerful. There's a calculator that I can put in the link down below, where you can put in whatever investment that you can afford, and you can see exactly what you'll earn if you throw back in the profits every day or every week, what you can earn after 30 days, 40 days, 50 days, 60 days, etc., etc. I've left out little bits of details, obviously, because I'm not here to explain exactly how they do their investments, but they've got a great money management system which makes this very sustainable. Because that's the other thing, how sustainable is this? You know, you look at how much deposit do I need to put in, you know, and if that's too large, that puts you off. Who is the CEO? How transparent is he? How transparent is the company? Because you can see all their Forex trades and crypto trades daily. Literally, you can copy them if you wanted to do your own trading. Can't get any more transparent than that. What is the return on investment? Obviously, mega important. Can you withdraw daily, or would it be 30 days? Would it be 60 days? Would it be 90 days? Which is not really that good, is it? This is daily. Is it 7 days or is it 5 days? Obviously, 7 days is better than 5. So it ticks all the boxes for me. Going back to making passive income, this is the platform if you want to make passive income, if you're really that, you know, serious about it. You can always bypass this video and say another scam. Well, that's up to you. You're going to miss out. Simple as that. But this will return you a lovely passive income on autopilot. Robert Kawasaki, I'm not sure if you're aware, which I've actually shown before on my page somewhere, but have you heard of the cash flow quadrant, where we've got employment, self-employment, business and investor? And Robert Kawasaki, a very successful investor, entrepreneur, always says you need to be on the right side of the quadrant, either a business owner or an investor. And I'm not dissing being an employee or an employer or being self-employed, not whatsoever. We kind of need to start on this side, but you need a plan if you want passive income on a daily basis. You need a plan to get into this side of the quadrant, okay? And obviously an investor is what you would become if you joined my platform, My Passive Trades. You become an investor, and even kind of a business owner if you've got a group of people that you could refer, because you then make more money, okay? I'm not sure if I've left anything out. If I have, obviously DM me, email me, phone me. No pressure whatsoever to have a chat with me, and at least you can then say, no, it's not for me. You might be invested already in something very lucrative. A thumbs up to you, fantastic. But if you're sat there not happy with your 9-to-5 job and you have no plans of getting from this side to this side, well, you've only got yourself to blame, because with that bit of writing that I had on the whiteboard before, what's to stop you? It's not your investment, because you can put in a small amount. It's not the return on your money. It's not the CEO. Everything's ticked for me. Okay, you can at least find out if it is for you without losing a lot of money, and that's why this platform was, you know, really attracted me. Okay, so I hope that's not wasting any of your time. Please reach out to me and at least find out maybe a little bit more, and you can always say no to it, but the worst thing you can do is bypass this for me, because you owe yourself. You only live once, you know, and for me, time freedom is everything, and this My Passive Trades platform will definitely give you that. Now, if somebody's kind of introduced you to My Passive Trades already, but you've not joined, obviously sign up with them. Don't sign up with my link below. But, you know, at least this information now, you know, you've got access to, and you can find out for yourself. Great stuff, right? Hope I've not wasted too much of your time. Thanks a lot for your time if you've stayed to the end of the video. Please reach out to me, and hopefully we'll speak real soon. Take care. God bless.